Boost your Windows 11 performance today. Looking to get the most out of your Windows 11 experience? We've got you covered. Here are some tried and tested tips to help you maximize your Windows 11 performance. Keycap 1. Keep your system updated. Ensure that your Windows 11 operating system is always up to date. Regular updates bring bug fixes, security patches, and performance improvements that can make a noticeable difference. Keycap 2. Optimize startup programs. Minimize the number of programs that launch at startup. This can significantly speed up your system's boot time and improve overall performance. Head to the Task Manager Startup tab to disable unnecessary programs. Keycap 3. Clean up your hard drive. Over time, your hard drive can become cluttered with unnecessary files and folders. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool to remove temporary files, system files, and other junk that might be slowing down your system. Keycap 4. Manage visual effects. Windows 11 comes with visually appealing animations and effects, but they can consume system resources. Adjust the visual effects settings to prioritize performance over aesthetics. Go to System Settings, Advanced System Settings, Performance Settings. Keycap 5. Update drivers. Outdated or incompatible drivers can cause performance issues. Make sure your hardware drivers are up to date by visiting the manufacturer's website or using a trusted driver update tool. Keycap 6. Disable background apps. Some apps run in the background and consume system resources even when you're not actively using them. Head to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps, and disable the ones you don't need. Keycap 7. Enable game mode. Windows 11's game mode optimizes system resources for gaming, ensuring a smoother and more responsive gaming experience. Activate game mode by going to Settings, Gaming Game Mode. Keycap 8. Uninstall unnecessary software. Remove any programs or apps that you no longer use. Not only will this free up storage space, but it can also improve system performance. Keycap 9. Adjust power settings. Customize your power plan to prioritize performance. Head to Settings, System Power, Sleep, Additional Power Settings. Choose the High Performance Power Plan for maximum performance. Bonus: regularly restart your system. Restarting your computer can help clear temporary files, refresh system resources, and improve overall performance. Make it a habit to restart your system at least once a week. By following these tips, you can supercharge your Windows 11 performance and enjoy a faster, smoother computing experience. Give them a try today and witness the difference. Got any other tips for optimizing Windows 11 performance? Share them in the comments below.